Galactic evolution. The life cycle of galaxies. Galaxies, the grand structures of the universe, are not static. They evolve over billions of years, shaping and reshaping their forms. But how does this process begin? How do galaxies grow? And why do they transform into different shapes over time? The story of galactic evolution begins in the early universe. Shortly after the Big Bang, tiny fluctuations in the distribution of matter formed dense regions, which grew under the influence of gravity. These regions eventually became the seeds of the first galaxies. Over time, these proto-galaxies merged, collided, and grew larger, forming the galaxies we see today. Galaxies come in various shapes: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies, like the Milky Way, are rich in gas and actively form new stars. Elliptical galaxies are older, with little gas, and consist mainly of aging stars. Irregular galaxies are chaotic in shape, often due to gravitational interactions or collisions. One of the most significant events in a galaxy's life cycle is a galactic collision. While these collisions can distort and reshape galaxies, they also trigger bursts of star formation, creating dazzling new stars over billions of years. Repeated mergers can transform spiral galaxies into elliptical ones. Another key factor in galactic evolution is dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up most of a galaxy's mass. Dark matter acts as a scaffolding, helping galaxies maintain their structure and merge with others. Modern telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, allow us to peer into the distant past, observing galaxies as they were billions of years ago. These observations provide valuable insights into the life cycle of galaxies, from their birth to their eventual transformation. Galactic evolution is a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. From their humble beginnings as clouds of gas to their majestic forms today, galaxies are living records of the universe's history. The evolution of galaxies tells the story of the universe itself, a story of creation, transformation, and discovery. What part of this cosmic journey fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments, and join us as we unravel the mysteries of galactic evolution.